Hi there, I'm Matt. You're watching You Can Change Vegan. Today we're making pumpkin soup. I'm starting by chopping the vegetables, which are 2 brown onions. All the vegetables can just be roughly chopped as the soup's getting pureed. 2 butternut pumpkins or butternut squash. Carefully break off the stem, cut in half and scoop out the seeds. Now roughly chop. A few carrots, trim the ends and then chop. And some potatoes. I'm leaving the skins on all these vegetables because they contain nutrients. Now I've prepped all of the vegetables, which took around 15 minutes. It's time to turn these into pumpkin soup. I'm starting by heating oil over medium heat, then adding in the chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and curry powder. I'll cook that for a few minutes while stirring until aromatic. After a few minutes, I'm adding in the chopped pumpkin, chopped potatoes, and carrots. Oops, I cut too many veggies, so I'm going to leave some out. Fill the pot with warm stock. I then place the lid on. Stir occasionally and cook for about 30 minutes on medium heat. I'm now testing the vegetables with a fork to make sure they're tender, which they are. So I can turn the heat off, wait a few minutes, and then using a stick blender, blend the soup until smooth. Now I'm giving it a taste to check the seasoning. It tastes great and the salt's good, but I'll just add a little black pepper. To serve, I'm ladling the soup into a bowl and garnishing with Pepitas and freshly made croutons. As of today, my channel has 1,091 subscribers. Thanks to every one of you. Delicious. Why not make my pumpkin soup this week? Thanks for watching. There's more of my vegan recipe videos here.